The skies over Turkey just sent a chilling message to the entire world. This was not a normal test, this was not a normal drone, this was definitely not a normal moment in a military history. You're watching TimesXP, my name is Dhritiyatri, and Turkey has just unveiled a machine that could change air warfare forever. An uncrewed fighter jet that can hunt other fighter jets. Yes, you heard that right. Here we are talking about a drone that can take on fast, deadly, in fact, manned aircrafts and win. Meet Israel-Hamas, the red apple. It doesn't blink, it doesn't feel fear, it does not need a pilot inside. And during a recent test also, it locked onto a target far beyond what the human eye can actually see. And it took the shot. A clean hit, by the way. Mission? Of course, successful. For the very first time ever, an uncrewed aircraft proved that it can shoot down a fast-moving aerial target in real combat-style condition. Not theory, not simulations, reality. But aren't you wondering how did it do this? So, hidden inside that sleek body is Murad AESA radar, an advanced eye in the sky. It sees what humans cannot. It tracks what humans cannot track, and when the moment came, well, it fired a missile that is home deployed Turkish air-to-air weapons at a high speed flying targets. Then boom, target destroyed. No pilot, no cockpit, just code, sensors and cold surgical precision. This is where the world is paused right now, but that wasn't even the most dramatic part here. Moments later, new footages emerged. This machine flying side by side with Turkish F-16 fighter jets. Man and machine flying in formation. Can you imagine? A silent drone beside roaring piloted warplane. Now this is the future of Turkey, warfare that is building. Not man versus machine, but man with machine together. Military experts around the globe, they are stunned. For decades, Western powers control the most advanced air technology, right? And now Turkey is stepping into that space, and that too really fast. This changes everything now because once drone can defeat jets, the rule of the sky are rewritten. No expensive training needed, no risk of losing a pilot, no human limit. Just precision, speed and relentless technology. And let's be clear here, this is not just about Turkey anymore. This is about what will come next in the Middle East, in Europe, in future conflicts, in future alliances. If one drone can do this today, what will 1,000 drones do tomorrow? The message is loud. Turkey is not asking for a seat at the table anymore. Well, it is building a whole new table, and that too in the sky. And the world's biggest air forces just got very nervous.